Hey guys, welcome to Talks of Guide. Today I'm going to show you guys how to type really fast. I'm not that a pro, but I'm trying. The app I would recommend you guys to use is TypingMaster. So some people usually use Mavis Beacon, but it's also nice. But I started with TypingMaster, so I will continue with it. So this is the TypingMaster 11. I'm used to Typing Master 10, but today I'm going to be using the Typing Master 11. It's pretty the same thing, just the color have changed. It was green, but now it's blue. I just start course. The lesson. It always starts with the basic. You can read all of these. Touch typing is notes and the key, homework, whatever. But we are going to start with key drill. So you just have to make sure you follow these fingers here. When it shows the finger, that means you get to place this one, two, three, four fingers, these four letters, and this other four on this other four letters. You're given 5 minutes for every test in Typing Master. You can choose the allocated time yourself in the settings. And one good thing about it is is that it's different from my because that when you stop typing for 5 seconds, it automatically pauses. Like now, if I type 8 and I'm supposed to type and I put space and I wait for 5 seconds, just here is going to pause the lesson. So that's really nice for beginners, and I think it's it's better than any other one. After this, they're going to give you your result, which of course, if you end now, it will say results can be calculated. So I'm going to take a lesson that I'm actually taking myself now. I guess my speed is highest speed I've attained is 37 words per minute, and the average is 30. So I will start on the speed building course to focus on the home row. Let's just take the first one. I will take a review row. Okay. Now this is a boring font phrases with A, F, and J. Let's go. Oh shit. Shit. Flooded flyers flush as freakish floods. Fluster flyers that jaded James Jelly messing up. Oh my god. As joggers, joggers, jogger active, other activated, acute, admired, trace, afar, frail, furtive, furious, fly, fur, as, very. So you guys notice when I make a mistake, it shows the key I mistakenly pressed and shows the one I'm supposed to press the fingers down there. So it's really nice. You can try it yourself. The app is not free though for some courses. After doing the first courses, the first lessons, the basic ones, to enter this speed building level, you have to buy it. You have to buy a license. Please guys, do well to subscribe to my channel, so that maybe next time if you have a question you can put in the comment section and I'll reply to your worries immediately. Get that food, watch just judiciary, see, juice. Really messing up today. Advisedly advised. Cures. I notice after passing some time without typing, like 3 seconds, it shows you the key you have to press. So it's nice. At the beginning, it's not going to be easy, but with a lot of patience and time, everybody can succeed. I'm succeeding though, but not as a pro. I'm just trying. I'm going to see my speed at the end of this. It's not that big. I think the highest person with the highest speed in the world reaches up to 150 words per minute. That means I'm kind of 5 times slower, but I'm average. The app will still tell me I'm a great typer. It's fine to type at the speed at which I type. It's not really a competition though, so I just do it for learning sake and for typing my notes in school and for fun. I really messed up in this. Good. So my gross speed was 33 words per minute and the net speed was 31 words per minute. That is compared with the speed, uh, compared with the accuracy. The goal was 94%, but I had 92. And you can see here it shows you your learning tips. Maybe if you had a particular difficulty in a number in a letter, like here you see you seem to have some difficulties with the y, pay attention to it and review it if difficulty appears. So you can start a review for the letter and some other letters near it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just cancel. So you can have some games here that you can follow, but I guess this will be after a long training. Bike recipes. Well, the many of them, you just have to check them yourself. If you guys are interested in this type of video, you can leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video. Bye bye.